What's up, guys? Midwest 2 review here, back again. Thought I would do a quick video. Picked up a few items from Harry J. Epstein. If you're not familiar with Harry J. Epstein, there is a link in my description of this video for their website. They are not an affiliate, but rather a really cool, probably last of the mom and pop, general store, general tool store type places that are still in operation today here in the USA. So a little bit about Harry J. Epstein. I don't know a lot about the company in terms of like when they started, but I know I've been there. I went there back in, like 2015 or 16. If you guys are aware of a channel named, by a guy that goes by the name of Hard Knocks Forge, also known as Knockers, he and I went there in like 2015, 2016, looked at a couple things, got to see their store. I think their store is like 3 or 4 stories, really old brick and mortar type building. Some parts of it can be considered dilapidated. But they had a lot of tools. It had boxes and boxes of new old stock stuff that they had bought out from other larger corporations. So you're talking SK, you're talking Proto, Williams. I think I even saw some Snap-on, but their website has probably 50 or 60 different brands that they list for which they carry stock to. So I really strongly encourage you guys to go out and check out Harry J. Epstein Co. Like I said, the description to their website is on my, or the link to their website is in the description of this video. But I went out there, I decided to pick up a couple things to kind of see. They are having some closeout deals. They have some clearance items, but for the most part, all of their prices are really, really good for what they have. They have some stuff that's kind of older, maybe not in so great a condition. Maybe some surface rust, but still functional. They have some stuff that's obviously brand new. They have a lot of things that are brand new. But when I was there with Knockers, there was cases, cases upon cases, boxes upon boxes in the basement of just SK wrenches. So much so that the structural walls of the place was starting to fall and cave in. And there was just like tools that had been there for God knows how long that had rusted. It was almost a joyful but yet sad thing to see, because this brick and mortar store that's been around for so long was basically starting to deteriorate on itself. And I don't know if they have plans to keep the place in operation, if they have plans to fix the building, but I know I believe they've been there forever. But it's a really, really neat place, and I would encourage you, if you're ever in the Kansas City area, to go out and visit them. But all of their information will be linked in this video here. So, but what I picked up was these Facom Ratcheting Stubby wrenches. I don't know a whole lot about Facom. I think they are a German brand, or maybe French. I'm not sure. I believe they're German. But I have heard good things about Facom in general. And I saw these on their website, and it came as a set. It goes, 16, 15, 14, 11, and 9. Skips 10, skips 12 and 13. I don't know why they skipped those sizes, but that's what they had on their website. I'm not sure if that's standard protocol for Facom. I would assume not. But yeah, that's what they had on their website. So, but we picked these up. They were like $34.99, which is a really awesome deal for these wrenches. Really nice quality from what I can see. The material that they use kind of reminds me of Capri. It has that kind of like that matte finish feel to it. I'm trying to see if I can find my Capri wrenches. They're not designed the same way, but just kind of has that matte finish look to it. And these Facom wrenches are very similar, in my opinion. But we picked up this set here. They are nice action, nice tight gearing, nice, perfect size. I love the size. It's got about a 10 or 15 degree angle to that. So not bad, but perfect size for your hand to get in there. And really, if your hand can fit, this wrench can fit. Really nice size. I love the profile. There's gotta be some connection, maybe someone like CP or some other guys out there who knows tool brands a little bit better than I do will know, but there appears to be some type of connection between Facom and Mac tools. I see the Mac Expert brands are a lot of times affiliated with Facom, so I don't know if Facom makes a lot of the expert tools. Maybe they do. Someone in the comment section can, or someone in the one of you viewers rather can be able to comment on that and let me know what you guys know, but I'm not, because I'm not 100% certain on that. But I did see that connection on like eBay and stuff like that. Here's an example of the packaging. So you can see it was actual Facom, came in the original packaging. Looks like that is French. So Facom must be a French company. But once again, I don't know a lot about Facom, so I'm not 100% certain of that, but that's my assumption. But really nice wrenches in terms of the quality, what appears how they're produced, the mechanical mechanism for it. Very positive engagement here. So, you know, you're not going to put a lot of torque on these guys anyway, but for snugging things up, these are going to be excellent. I really did wish I had a full set. The other thing I picked up, and I just grabbed a few of these, was these SK wrenches. These are new old stock. You can see there, like I said, not everything is going to come to you 100% pristine. A lot of these are things that they bought many years ago, and they're starting to, well, they've always been for sale, but it looks like they're starting to get down into some of their things that they've had for a long, long time. But these are some SK wrenches. If you're looking for anything SK, Harry J. Epstein is probably going to be your source for that if you're looking to get new old stock. But I picked up a 19 and a 23 millimeter. I just picked two random sizes. These were about $6 or $7 a piece, somewhere about that. Not very much at all. I could only imagine how much these wrenches are brand new. But I picked these up, like I said, for less than $10, I believe, per. I thought I'd grab the receipt. Here, I did here. Let's see. See if it's itemized. Yeah. So the 19 millimeter, I lied here. The 19 was $10 and the 23 millimeter was weird. I don't understand that. But you see there, the 23 millimeter black oxide is $8. And the 19 millimeter was 10. And then you see there, the wrenches were 32. So a total of 58 bucks, plus shipping, got me all of this. Well, minus that, sorry, got me all of that. So not bad. I still don't understand why the 19 was more than the 23. Maybe because of the condition. I'm not 100% certain of that. But yeah, these were pretty good deal. I couldn't beat it, couldn't pass that up. And you may say, well, why did you buy them? For one, I was testing out to see what they were going to be like when they got here in terms of the condition. Number two, I wanted to see how easy the process was to buy them and get them shipped to me. It took about a week and a half to get them here, so fairly quick shipping, maybe a little bit less. Easy process to get them ordered, not arduous whatsoever. I just went online and ordered them. All of the brand names are there. You just click the brand name you're looking for and then start scrolling, or you can put in the description of what you're looking for, and it'll bring you up options regardless of the brand name. But a very quick process, not bad at all. And I got these here. 19 obviously is going to be used. 23 because I wanted some bigger wrenches. I think I go up to, in this particular set, in this box, I go up to 21. And these are just your standard Crescent brand chromes. But, you know, I didn't need anything too special. So I got a 23, and I'm going to get the rest of them now that I have gone through the process of how this works. I'm going to put these, I'm trying to think, I don't want to knock off too much of that black oxide, so I think I'm going to do a little bit of research, see if anybody's done this in the you remove rust on black oxide using Evapo-Rust. If you guys are not up on Evapo-Rust, I would highly recommend you get some of this stuff if you have anything that you need to remove rust. And one key component I want to tell you about, if you're going to use Evapo-Rust, it's best to use it with a little bit of heat. It should be used, I think it says 65 degrees or higher, like that's the min temperature, meaning that the environmental temperature or ambient temperature should be about that. What I did was I actually set mine up near a heater, a little small heater, and just I put some snap-on sockets in there. And maybe I can pull them out for my phone dies. Sorry about the shakiness of the camera. But I did these two here, this 16 and 17 millimeter. They were really rusted on the inside. Put them in Evapo-Rust. They came out really, really nicely. And I just put them in last night, and I pulled them out today about an hour ago and wiped them down, and all the rust was gone. So I'll probably research it, make sure this black oxide will survive, and then we will put that in Evapo-Rust, and we'll show you guys tomorrow how well it came out. But the 19, she's good to go. So we'll just put a little bit of oil on her and call it a day. But yeah, guys, so that's my little Harry J. Epstein pickup. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I encourage you guys to go out there. If you're looking for SK or some other brands, Harry J. Epstein is probably going to be your source, especially if you want to support a true American brick and mortar store that's still in operation after so many years. Great staff. They were very nice when I was there. Really, really cool. And if you're ever in the Kansas City area, specifically, they are located here. There's their information. 301 West 8th Street, Kansas City, Missouri. There's a phone number, there's a website, there's everything you need to know. So, you know, capture that if you're looking to do that. I'll leave all their information in the description of this video. So I'd encourage you guys to check them out. And if you do, let's leave them a little note, let them know that Midwest 2 Review sent you guys over, and pick up something from them, guys. Even if it's just a single wrench, buy something to, you know, to show support to a true American tool company that's still in operation today, tool distributor, rather. So yeah, hope you guys like the review. Small little tool haul, but great tools nonetheless. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.